Just want to say thank you, God, for getting Kalai and us to this day. Thank you for putting Kalai in my life right at the time where I needed her the most. Please continue to look over us as we step into the new chapter of our life, of this marriage.
How do we end up here, so googly-eyed and deeply in love with each other, standing in front of everyone we love so much, vowing to continue to love each other forever? Well, let's get married.
Let's go get married.
Jamal, there's a few things I want to say, but I want to start with saying I was not looking for you. I simply wanted to enjoy a cookout, my Arab side of the family, and there you were, talking my ear off and forcing me to play a game of beer pong. As usual, you're the life of the party. I was shy and couldn't figure out why you were talking so loud, and now you're here, and you're the life of my party every single day. Never failing to bring me joy, laughter, and a good time. God knew exactly what he was doing that night because we've been inseparable ever since.
In this marriage, I vow to always do the little things that made you fall in love with me in the first place. I will continue to take pride in waking up at 5 in the morning to make you coffee before work and pouring you a cold glass of Tito's when you return home.
Where you go, I will go. And where you stay, I will stay. And your people are my people, and your God is my God.
Kalaya, KB, my baby girl, my princess, my SBB, and now my wife, you are a dream come true. You are a love at first sight, turned into a one knee, and now I do. You are my wedding vows in human form.
I now pronounce them husband and wife together. You may kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. Jamal Anthony Butler. Can we celebrate them?